What it is, what it do, it's your girl Sheeda B, aka Fattest Nigeria, back in it again. It has been a long time. First of all, I want to say thank you if you've always been here, if you've been a long time subscriber, you've been with me since day one, you've been with me through my struggles of my inconsistency. Thank you for never giving up on me, because a winner never quit on themselves, you feel me? No matter what, I will never quit. I might take a long break, but I never quit, remember that. So, and if you're new watching me, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and join the gang, join the Balo gang, you feel me? I don't know what to call my people yet. We never figured it out because I'm always changing it. But don't worry, we'll figure it out soon. But anyway, thank you. Welcome. Alright, let's get started.
Enjoy.
So today, guys, I want to do a makeup tutorial. It has actually been a long time on my channel since I've done a makeup tutorial. I always go through just like this YouTube roller coaster of mine. I also go through my moods of, do I want makeup or do I not want makeup? I'm more confident when I don't have makeup on. I hate that I have to go to the club at night and sweat out my makeup, and then they turn the light on and I'm like trying to hide because my makeup is sweated out. Whereas you see my skin is just popping. I don't have to worry about that. So, you know, makeup, I like it. It's fun. You feel me? It is always fun to put on, to glam up every now and then, but I still always appreciate a natural beauty. Today I want to do a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial for you guys. It will just be a simple Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, and yeah, I don't want to ramble you guys' ears off, so let's just get started. Okay, so guys, this is like my beauty secret. I use Salon Perfect eyebrow tattoo. This eyebrow marker does wonderful job because I literally do not get my eyebrow, I don't get it trimmed, waxed, nothing. I try to leave it. I probably do it maybe once a year. That's all I do. So this just fills my thick brows for me and gets the job done, because I'm team thick brows, so I don't like to shave my brows because they're not even as thick as I want. But this gets the job done, and my battery is blinking, so I'm gonna have to cut this video soon when it dies. I literally just fill it all in, but I try not to fill in very close to the front. So this is what I do. I'm just outlining it all. Yo, this brow marker, a friend gave it to me because she did not like it, and that was how I learned about it. Because she was like, well, you're a darker skin, it might be good for you. And I loved it because it just stays on all day, just perfect, you feel me? It is literally called Salon Perfect, and it is perfect for me. After I finished using the one she gave me, I couldn't find it. It took me months before I could get my hands back on this bad boy, y'all. So I literally cherish this thing. So the next time I was able to get it, I had to order it online through Walmart, and it took forever before I could even find it on Walmart website. And that's the only place you can find it, y'all. And this is not a promo. I actually just really love this product. And all I do is then just brush it. As soon as I brush it and blend it in, then it just literally melts into my eyebrows, and it's perfect. And sometimes I might go and do a little bit more fill like that towards the front because I blend it in way too much. You feel me? Just like that. Okay, now the eyebrows is now filled in, then I'm going to outline it now with LA Girl Pro Concealer, which is almost everybody's favorite. It's a classic. It used to be just $1, but then, you know, so everybody cut onto it. They're like $5. No. When outlining the brows, you start from the outer corner just a little bit. I try to go down, and then I use, you know, just slowly, gently. And I like to put my eyebrows like this just because I have folded lids and it's poofy eyes. So I have to stretch it out to make sure, you know, I outline it very well. The key is to just lift your eyebrows like that. Yep, just like that. I do the bottom. I'm going to do the other bottom, then do the top. And then when you're doing the top, you start from the inner corner. Instead of down, I'll start from right here. It just helps me more. I like it very boxy, straight. Just 2 steps. Then I go around and bring it down like that. That's how I like mine. You see, I'm trying not to go too close while I'm fading it away, you know, the foundation. Okay. Alright, y'all, this is the brown, y'all seeing, and then just use your finger, do some blending. Alright, y'all, I switch cameras, and yeah. Okay, so now that my eyebrows is done, what I'm going to do is use my Smashbox. This is like an old classic for me. Smashbox Photo Finish. As you can see, I am almost done with it. I'm just trying to squeeze it out and get some on my little finger. Rub that all in. Then I am going to use this Nicole Healer New York. It's a primer setting spray. So I like to just spray a little on my face and on the forehead. We're gonna let that set before I apply my foundation. I am going to be using Fenty Beauty 450. This is my favorite foundation and my only foundation ever since it has been released. So I just put it like that, like that, like that. I am also going to my brush. For highlights, I like to use LA Girl Pro Beautiful Bronze, just because it is just a slight lighter shade from the foundation. You see that? It's just a little lighter shade. So it is a nice shade for melanins. That's if I want just a little, you know, a natural highlight. To add a little, you know, for a little bit of transition, I use I think this is fawn. Yeah, this is fawn. I'm just gonna put that at the top up here, just a little bit because it is lighter. So, see, a little transition. Just like that. Just spray some more primer setting spray on that so it can help me with my blending. And I'm just going to pat. Now I'm going to use LA Girl in dark cocoa for contouring. My eye itch right here. This is new, by the way, y'all. This is brand new. Now we're going to set it. I just got this setting powder Black Radiance contour palette, so we're gonna use it. Actually, oh no. I'm going to use Muffy brushes to set my highlight, then I'm going to use this for contouring. I'm gonna use the little pad thing that came with it. So I just press on and I press on like this. Just a little padding. This actually really matches my skin very well. So it's just a natural highlight. I'm just gonna take my fan brush and I'm using the darkest shade, of course. I gotta go just very lightly because it's just very dark, y'all. Then I'm gonna go into this Fenty Beauty and I'm gonna set my whole face all together with it. So now I am going to use this LA colors. Y'all, this is $1. This is my one of my beauty secret. I always go back to this shade. I go to Dollar Tree. I get it at Dollar Tree for $1. It is my favorite blush. And yeah, it is the color Berry Plum. Just beautiful on my melanin. When I'm blushing, I like to puff my cheeks up like I'm smiling. Yeah, I use the same technique with my makeup all the time. I try to stick to the same technique. Whenever I do something different, I try not to make a, at least my foundation, blush, everything is always the same. See, that just warms the face up. Now we're going to highlight. Trophy wipe, just the tap right there on the nose. I'm gonna take a fan brush to try to blend that highlight a little. On the eyelid, I am going to use this highlighter right here inside this Black Radiance. I'm just gonna use that little shimmer right there. It is not heavy. So because this is a Valentine's theme makeup, we need some pink, right? We need pink. So in order for us to get pink, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my NYX, or you call it NYX, or you call it NYX Milk, and I'm just gonna use that to put some highlight on my tear duct. So I'm gonna use a brush instead of applying it directly. You want to use a brush. I'm doing this because I want that pink to stick out. Okay, I'm using NYX. It is hot red, but because I have a white base, so it's gonna look pinkish, So I'm just gonna tap just like that. Do the other eye. Alright, we look good. We're looking good. Looking good for shimmer. Another NYX product, and I'm just gonna use this as my eyeliner. Ooh, don't let it get in your eye because it burns. lashes, okay? Okay, so the lashes is on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a black eyeliner and go over it using Wet n Wild. We're going to do the lips, and that is the final touch. For the lips, I use NYX black because I like me a black outline on my lips. Okay, now that we have the lip outlined, can I tell y'all a little beauty secret? Watch this, y'all. Just a little or a lot. Lip gloss. That is the goal. Clean off any excess. But yeah, y'all, this is Valentine's Day makeup inspiration. I'll be right back. A wrap for the Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. This is my Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. You know, a little bit of glam. You feel me? Simple but glamorous. You feel me? Like you still catch an eye with this look. I mean, you feel me, sis? This is the look for bae. Hopefully I get to edit this video and drop it before Valentine's Day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like if you like the video, comment, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you want to see next from me, you dig. But yeah, it's a wrap. Thank you guys. Bye.